Good morning, and welcome to episode 103 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, December 21st, 2022. Well, there were no surprises last week whatsoever with the Federal Open Market Committee and their rate announcement. They decided, as expected, to go ahead and raise rates 50 basis points, showing a little bit of a slowdown in the rate of interest rate increases. But they signaled that there's still more work to do, and they intend to continue to raise rates. Many people feel that means another interest rate hike or two in the coming year, somewhere around 25 to 50 basis points before they pause, and most folks feel eventually pivot. Of course, you know my thoughts on this. The Fed cannot solve this problem without the cooperation of Congress. So as the Fed is raising interest rates, despite $31 trillion in debt and a limit on how high they can go with the ability to service this debt, Congress continues to spend. We got a $1.7 trillion spending bill that is out there in order to keep the government running. We are not stopping spending. Therefore, we must continue to inflate the currency because we do not have enough revenue to cover our checkbook and what we've promised. And therefore, Powell will never, ever be able to solve this problem with interest rate hikes. It's just not going to happen. Over the course of the year, gold and silver continue to perform well. Silver, as we speak, is actually in positive territory for the year. Gold is only about $15 away from that as I speak this morning. Three best assets to hold this past year were the US dollar, silver, and gold in that order. Let's look at the prices for the past week. Gold is at $1,815.30. That's up 0.4% from $1,807.40 last week. Silver is up to $23.98. It's been a good portion of yesterday, over $24 an ounce. It's up 1% on the week from $23.73 last week. Platinum is down 3% to $1,005 from $1,037 an ounce last week. And palladium, big loser, down 11% to $1,783 an ounce from $2,004 last week. The gold-silver ratio, the number of ounces of silver it takes to buy an ounce of gold, is down, as you would imagine, with silver outpacing gold the past week. It's at 75.98, down from 76.45 last week. And the dollar, although it spent much of the week down in the 103 level, is currently trading this morning at 104.11 on the index. I just want you to understand what's going on with these numbers. Gold and silver are starting to show life. They're starting to rally. I think our good friend Adrian Day was out talking in our newsletter not too long ago, where he mentioned that the forward-looking investors were feeling that the Fed was doing a good job 6 months ago, and now they're not. So we're starting to see the dollar fall. We're starting to see precious metals increase in value over the past 60 days. And as a result, we feel that we're in store for wonderful price appreciation in 2023. If you don't have your precious metals shored up, you should. At this time of year, we want to go ahead and send our best wishes to all of you. We wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're enjoying whatever holiday you celebrate this time of year with your friends and family, and I hope it's a peaceful, wonderful, joyous time of year. And that goes out from all of us here at the ASI team to you. We appreciate you. We, as always, would love you to go ahead and like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Send us your comments and questions. Interact with our social media, get our newsletters, but in the end, and especially right now in this environment, you got to remember that the key to getting rich is to keep what's yours.